guys, I'm back with another video. Gang. And today, as you can see, I got this. This is suspicious things. I got this. It's the only thing I got. This. Well, I might use this in this video. Comment down below in 5. Comment down below what you think I'm going to be doing. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Comment down below. Smack that thumbs up button and subscribe to this video. So today, guys, like I was saying, I have this 2 things. So only 2 things, the things I need to put something on here and to add something in there. Let's get started. And I also have this because I'm gonna. This is a Jolly Rancher. I don't know when I got this, but okay. But I got this. This is a whole bottle because I have my whole pack over there. So. Okay, so this is just my break time. For this, I just drank it in a video. So now, let's get started to the video. So guys, this is what I'm going to be doing. Somebody gave me a slime. I'm not telling you who, but just know that I got a slime from them. And it's in a blue case. And it looks like the slime is black behind here. I don't know. But they look like they made the slime inside of here. This is a messy case. They just inside of here because it's got stuff like that. And this one is made out of face masks. So yeah, like I was saying, this morning we are doing looking at slime. We're looking at this slime and see if it's a fail or good. I gotta drink this right now, guys. You already know, lady. So what I was saying, guys. I'm so sick. So I was saying, guys, they had this. I didn't open it, guys. That was this thing. So what I'm saying, I'm going to be using this to put my slime right here on here. This stuff is cool. I'm going to use this to probably fix the slime if this is a fail. I might not use it because it might be good. This is a fail. I'm going to use it. So let's get started with the video. So open this. Growing here. So yeah, guys. This small piece of slime, just black, and it looks sticky. I don't even know what this slime is. Oh my god. Okay. First. Alrighty. Gotta eat my Jolly Rancher while I'm doing this. My blue. The blue is best. Okay. So, the slime. That's the sticky. So, comment below if you're going to say this is going to be a fail. How come? Poke something? It's good at poking. So guys, I had to move to this table because something else happened over there. So like I was saying, you just got to the slime. So wait, can I feel? Can I bring this cool tomorrow? This is good. Okay. My video. She just playing that. This is poke contest. This is poke contest. Like I was saying, I already did it, but I'm gonna do it again. Poke contest is good, but it doesn't make a sound. Kinda make a soft sound. So guys, okay, now stretch time. It's not even stretchy. What the heck? It's not even stretchy. This slime just break in the middle of the stretch. What the? Somebody do to this slime. Poor slime. Oh my god. Oh my. I'm gonna save it for us. So this is, look at this slime. It doesn't even stretch right. Look at the middle. It just breaks. So we're just gonna use to try to fix it. We're gonna use this. Cause no, we're gonna use shaving cream first. Okay. Let's spread this line out. So this is how I spread it out. I added the shaving cream. This sounds like great. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is how it's gonna work. Guys, it's kind of good. It's better than the other time. Now I'm just gonna add. Now I'm just gonna add some condiments. Ooh. Look like it's perfect together. Yeah, she died. I died too. That's why I just floating there and come and kill the. It's almost broke. More shaving chrome. Oh, I would make this slime. This slime is embarrassing. It's not even slime, so I am saying slime. This is a fail. A real fail. Stanky real fail. Stay with Phil. Stay with Phil. Stay with Phil. Oh, so guys, make sure you subscribe and like and comment down below to the channel. And go check out my other videos and go subscribe and like to those videos for more challenges, shout out, and pranking. So we're gonna end this video right now. Make sure you slap that thumbs up button for your girl Mario. Bye.